Picture this. You walk into a house and suddenly the ceiling is under your feet and the bed, it's floating above your head. Sounds like a glitch in reality, right? Well, welcome to the Upside Down House at Landmark Center, where gravity takes a vacation and your senses get flipped inside out. In this video, I'll be taking you inside one of the most bizarre and creative tourist attractions in Nigeria. It is the first in West Africa. We'll explore its origins, what inspired it, and also have a look inside the house. Stick around because unlike any other house, this is going to be a full-on mind trip. The Upside Down House is located in Landmark Center, opened to the public in 2024. The house was built not just as an Instagram-worthy spot, but as a symbol of unconventional creativity in Nigerian tourism. The structure stands out immediately. From the outside, it looks like a fully furnished duplex that has literally crash-landed, with the roof on the ground and the foundation pointing towards the sky. But here's the twist. This wasn't just a random art installation. It was inspired by similar concepts around the world, like the one in Poland and South Africa, but this version was adapted to reflect Nigerian home decor and aesthetics. It is owned and managed by Landmark Center and is a part of the larger Landmark Village beachfront development, which includes hotels, restaurants, offices, and recreational facilities. Alright, let's head inside the house. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So welcome to the house of February. Yeah, this is the children's room. So yeah, you could have pictures like you sleeping, you can't move bed, you're dishing out something up. So it's just the reactions and expressions that matters while taking the pictures. So you have the pictures here, don't need some of the segments of the house. So we actually came in through the window and we're going out through the window. That's the window. If you look back, that's the window.
Window, right?
Yeah, it's a window.
Oh, nice.
So, came into the window, we're going out. Sorry. Now there's a trick to the picture.
Okay.
Once you take the picture, you could edit, crop, rotate. You've taken the picture like this. Edit, crop, rotate like you're writing. So it's going to be upside down.
Oh.
I don't know if you get me. If you want me to show you, I'll show you. Alright. So here is Mr. Pedro's personal living room. You have the reading table, the reading chair, Scrabble, Jota, the telephone. So
The same Mr. Pedro.
Mr. Pedro, exactly.
Okay.
I have a question, right?
Yes.
Is this a true life story or is it fiction?
It's a true life now. You didn't hear about it. You didn't hear about it. It's a fiction. It's a fiction.
Obviously.
Some parts are real, some parts are fictional. You know the parts that is real and
I feel like everything is fictional actually.
you know, everything here is real.
The video.
No, I mean the story.
And they now landed upside
And
down
then
and
now,
everything.
That's the mystery behind it. Everything in the house is real. The chairs, the table, anything you can touch.
You asked me not to touch.
No, you can touch, but don't pull.
This is a door.
This is another door. And now this is the ground floor. This is the top floor, pardon me. This is the top floor.
Oh, okay.
You know the house, this is the house. Upside down. This is Mr. Pedro's master bedroom. We have the bed, we have the baby cots, we have makeup kits, and here the wash and basin, and the toilets, and the bathtub. So here we can have pictures like you being in the toilet, the diving like this, or if you're washing your hands. Here, here's the shower. Yeah. And under the bed.
Inside the toilet, like
Yes, like you're diving inside. the
I'm
toilet.
now,
I
you
should
know,
dive
I
inside. Yes.
understand.
You take a picture of diving inside, then you flip. Yes, now.
Sleep.
How am I supposed to?
Exactly, you are sleeping like that.
You can sit on the floor and do.
Pregnant woman cannot come home.
Exactly. It's one of the rules. Pregnant women are not allowed. No, we'll check now. We ask you. The tray, the toaster, the fridge, the microwave. We'll check the walls. Okay.
Wow. Lamba.
This is the main door to the house, the main entrance to the house. We look up, you see the fruit mat, welcome, the bicycle, the flowers. Okay, right, this is the antique, the routine. We have everything. Even the paintings, you look at.
All right. So, what inspired this project?
If you're like our CEO is a business person, the businessman, travels all over the world. In the world, we have about more than 50 upside down houses in the world.
Alright.
So, from Vancouver, Spain, Estonia, and the likes. And this is one in Africa, West Africa, the first one in West Africa and Nigeria. We have another one in South Africa. So, the innovation, the creativity, the uniqueness of the building, the edifice is one of a kind. So, when we have something like this, instead of you going to France, going to Estonia, Vancouver, you can come to Nigeria and have an experience of the upside down.
Right.
It's worthwhile. It's something we have people from different countries come around, Morocco, the Iberia, different states. So, and just one location in West Africa. So it's a massive one.
And when was it launched?
December. Yeah, December last year.
2024.
2024, yeah. December 2024. So this is like 6 months running.
Right. And so far.
So far, we've like I said earlier, we've had more than 20,000 footfalls, and we have more every day. Personal chef for groups. Right, this is the exit. So going out through this exit. Now we're going out through another window.
Okay.
Into the window, we're going out through another window. What is this?
So that is it about the Upside Down House here at Landmark Event Center. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.